Number 5 is Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K 3D Printer. Introducing the ultimate game changer in 3D printing, the Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K LCD Resin 3D Printer, the best bang for your buck under $900. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey of creativity and innovation with this remarkable machine. With the Sonic Mighty 8K, you'll experience the power to bring your imagination to life in stunning 8K resolution. Its mind-blowing 28mm resolution ensures every intricate detail is captured with razor-sharp precision, guaranteeing crisp, clear prints and bursting with life. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to productivity. Equipped with a spacious 10-inch LCD screen and 23.5cm dual linear rails, this printer boosts your efficiency and unleashes your full potential. Its durable mono LCD is built to last, giving you extended printing sessions and ensuring your investment stands the test of time. Despite its mighty capabilities, the Sonic Mighty 8K maintains a compact footprint, effortlessly fitting into any printing space. Bid farewell to wobbling and frustrating layer lines thanks to its solid dual linear rails and thick T-plate. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer under $900. If you want to purchase any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.